Hello, everyone. It's Sandy with the Artistic Vegan Home, and it's National America Recycles Day. Joanne, over at A Work in Progress, sent out a challenge to share 5 things that we like to recycle. Here are my 5 things that I like to reuse or recycle. My doggy loves the Caesar dog food. So when I empty each of his delicious gourmet treats, I save the cups that they come in to use as paint trays for my various art projects. I love to start my seedlings and cuttings in plastic cups and water bottles that I would normally discard. As you can see, this little avocado plant is ready to be transferred into a larger container. When I buy bagged fresh fruit, I like to reuse the plastic netted bag. So instead of buying plastic pot scrubbers, I save money and recycle by using the plastic netted bags to do the same job. My printer cartridge boxes tend to pile up, so I like to give them a makeover and use them to organize different places in my home. And lastly, I like to use empty food containers that I normally discard to store my various custom paint colors that I use for several of my art projects. I hope some of these ideals will become part of your recycling routine as well. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you will always know when I upload new videos.